Today I thought I would bring you along on a day in my life. I have a lot of work I need to get done today, and so I thought I would bring you along and show you what a day in my life kind of looks like. So right now it is almost noon. I woke up way later than I wanted to today, so I didn't get a chance to do a lot of my morning routine stuff. I was rushed. I had a meeting that I had to go to, and it just all fell apart. So right now I'm going to make my to-do list for the day, and then we're gonna get started on work. So here's the process of how I make my to-do lists for the day. So first of all, I make a to-do list with just all of like a brain dump of all the tasks that I want to get done today. And then sometimes I put it into my bullet journal, sometimes I don't. It depends on whether or not I've already written it in. And then I go on my to-doist, which has all of my tasks that are more cyclic. So all my lectures are in there. Like every Tuesday, Thursday I have to watch this lecture and it'll pop up as a task that I need to check. And every Monday I have a quiz that I have to take, and that'll come up as a little check. So I check my to-do-list for like school tasks that I need to do. And then lastly, I check my Notion, which is something that I've just been recently setting up. So it's not all the way set up yet, but it has all of the due dates for the semester. So I go through there and check to see if there's anything coming up. I still haven't worked on a personal side of my Notion page yet, but that is something I want to get to this week. So now that's out of the way, I need to do my laundry and I need to do my portion of the chores for the apartment, which is cleaning the kitchen. I need to post a reel, and then after that I'm going to start working on what I need to do today. Now the wash is going, and I have 36 minutes before I have to go flip it and put it in the dryer, and so I'm gonna go clean the kitchen now. Instagram have been following along on my desk journey, basically the TLDR is that I was trying to buy a desk and IKEA is out of stock, and so is everywhere else on the internet. So this is what my workspace has been looking like. My stash of snacks, all of the papers that I'm working from, notebooks, they're just down here on the floor. It's been a struggle, but hopefully my desk is coming soon. I don't really know. We'll see. Okay, so right now it is about 3 p.m. I've been working for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and I'm going to go make some lunch. So for lunch today, I will be having some mac and cheese that I made a couple days ago. If you're interested in that, the recipe for that is on my Instagram. I made it as a reel, and so it's on my feed. I'll link my Instagram down below. It's super simple and it's really good. So that's what I'll be having for lunch, and I think I'll be having an apple with caramel sauce, which is my favorite snack right now. And then I think I'm probably going to read a couple chapters of my book while I'm at it. After that, I'm going to study some more. So now I'm done with lunch. It was very good. I read 4 chapters of my book right now, which is The Haunting at Bonaventure Circus by Jamie Jo Wright. I'm enjoying it a lot so far. It's not a book that I usually read, but for what I've read, I like it a lot. So anyways, I think I'm going to go work outside for a little bit to get some fresh air and, you know, not be in my apartment the whole day. So let's go do that.
In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fill my heart with song. sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
Well, getting here was a little bit more of a process than I expected. There were people at all the spots that I wanted to go to, and so I have to come to this spot, which is outside a dorm, I think. So there's like people inside with their windows open. It's kind of a lot, but I'm gonna work here for a little bit, enjoy the sunshine, what little there is of it, and yeah. I know I've been talking a lot about my desk, but I just rechecked the tracking page for it, and it says it's on its way. This is like a huge deal since they told me it was going to be here September 28th, and it's now what, like October 6th. So, and then I checked the FedEx tracking page, and it says scheduled by the end of this week. So that's super exciting. Very hyped for that. So hopefully the next video you'll see I'll actually have a desk and I won't be working in this. So yeah.